Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome to another lesson. Blue blood, blood bath, bad blood. What are these? In this lesson, we're going to talk about some collocations. First of all, what is a collocation? A collocation is a word or phrase that is often used with another word or phrase. So now, we are going to learn some words that often go together. This is a very good technique of improving your English. Now let's get started. The first one is blue blood. What does it mean? Well, basically it means aristocratic birth, noble birth, aristocracy. Blue blood. It is a royal, noble or esteemed pedigree. Blue blood. It means aristocratic, noble or socially prominent lineage. Blue blood. What else can we say? We can say a blue-blooded person has been born into a family that belongs to the highest social class. Blue blood. A blue blood is an aristocrat. Blue bloods comes from privileged noble families that are wealthy and powerful. Blue blood. For example, he is proud of his blue blood. What's next? Blood bath. What do we mean by blood bath? The meaning of blood bath is a massacre, savage and indiscriminate killing. Blood bath. It means carnage, death, genocide, holocaust, murder, butchery, bloodshed. Blood bath. What else can we say? We can say a ruthless slaughter of a great number of people. Blood bath. It is a violent and cruel killing of many people. Blood bath. What else can we say? We can say an extremely violent event in which many people are killed. Bloodbath. If you describe an event as a bloodbath, you are emphasizing that a lot of people were killed very violently. Bloodbath. Look at this example. They have threatened a bloodbath if he does not resign. Let's move on to the next one. Bad blood. What is bad blood? It is ill feeling, unfriendly or hostile relations, enmity, hostility, animosity. Bad blood. It means a feeling of ill will, anger, or hostility between people. Bad blood. It is feelings of hate between people. Bad blood. What else can we say? We can say feelings of dislike between two people or groups. Bad blood. For example, now there is bad blood between the two brothers. Today, we have learned 3 idioms and phrases. These are very important for any competitive exam like BCS Bank or any other recruitment test. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and learned something new. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, click subscribe. Never stop learning. Thanks a million for patience sharing.